Ooh, that dough. Whoa.
Why dough?
Ooh, we got a hand dough.
What was Homer Simpson's favorite exclamation?
I think it was.
Dough!
Okay, we
Alright.
got some little twirlies
So, yeah.
of dough.
Dough twirlies. Twirly doughs.
But
What are we gonna make with them? Yeah.
Why do they do?
Why dough?
We're doing some.
Why dough?
Why dough?
Why dough?
We got some crochet with the dough.
Crochet with the dough.
Chopsticks. Okay.
All right.
Cool design.
Cool.
Looks like that S you draw.
Looks like
In
a
high school.
little dumpling.
Okay, we're making little
Dumplings.
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 Oh, it looks good.
Dumpling.
Okay. Do not forget to clean.
Oh, it looks like a larvae.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, it's a shell.
show.
Oh.
Okay. Next.
Oh.
Oh,
It's
Ah.
a snake.
It's a snake.
Infinite
Badger,
dough.
badger,
Infinite.
badger.
Yeah.
Oh no. Okay, so we got some thread here.
They did a
All
lot of stuff.
right.
Oh, okay, we're
Little
making
dough balls.
Dough balls.
Oh,
Nice.
okay.
Not to be confused
Ooh,
with
those
donuts.
look really good.
Mm.
I want to dip them in like powdered sugar.
Donuts.
Okay, Homer.
All right. Umbrella Corporation.
Ah,
Oh, that's
Nice.
cute.
Little
Nice.
bows.
nice.
Good stuff.
Okay, we got some rosemary. We got some leaves.
I think that's parsley. No, not parsley. Dill.
Okay,
All right, Doc.
you dill
Dill?
supremacist. Okay,
So
we
right.
have a nice
Dill.
little ravioli.
Raviolis. Little big,
big
donut.
Wow, huge donut.
Gotta cut it.
Whoa, that looks good.
It does look good.
I want to see someone eat it though. I want to
Does
see it
it
like
taste good?
tear apart. Yeah,
Have you seen those where they serve soup inside
Yep.
of bread?
yeah.
Oh,
Have you
this
tried
awesome.
that?
Yeah,
That's
I did.
really
I
nice.
did. I,
And then you can eat it at the end as
Yeah.
well. It's like, what?
You know what they should do at 5 Minute Crafts? When they make things like this,
Yeah.
we should test it afterwards and how it tastes and everything.
I like your thinking. We should tell the guys.
Yeah,
We should say, save your food. Archie5 wants.
we're hungry.
guys, I'm not sure. I'm not sure that you want it.
These are the best baking, caking, action hacks you've ever seen on the internet. Are you ready?
Yeah. I'm ready.
You ready? Okay, that's
So
good.
let's do it. Let's do it. But that blowing, what is that word for? I didn't get, but okay.
Okay, so we have little sausages. We're wrapping in these. Ooh, that looks really good.
Yeah, I wanna.
I want it now. Okay.
So, sausage roll, sausage roll.
Yeah, they're like the opposite. They're like inverse sausage rolls
Yeah.
or like braided sausage rolls.
It's actually nice.
Yeah. They have this thing. It kind of looks like ladyfingers, which is like I forgot what's in it exactly, but they look very similar. They're like braids, and they put stuff inside the dough. I think it's like peanut butter or something. Magnifique.
Sorry, I didn't get it. What it was.
It's called ladyfingers, and it's the
Okay.
same concept as that braided dough, but it's a dessert and it's delicious.
Oh, I feel hungry now.
Me too. They look kind of like insects, so nah, not so much. They look like little grubs. All right, walnut. Close it up. Looks like one of those bao buns from Asian restaurants.
Yeah.
Those are good.
Or hinkali from Georgia.
Yeah, true. Wow, that's pretty.
Oh, okay.
Pretty delicious looking. Yeah.
I
Okay.
guess so, but is it tasty enough? You know, this is special dough for for molding or for creating.
yeah.
Not that tasty.
That's true, actually. You're right. You're right. Cheese inside of it looked like more cheese, but it's dough, I guess. And now we're wrapping it up with some bacon. Boom.
It's already looks awesome.
It looks fucking beautiful. Sorry, I got a little.
Butter!
Okay.
Whoa!
Pretty good.
That was nice. We need to test it.
So what does this stop from happening? Just popping over?
Yeah, we tested it. We need to test it with.
Ooh, that's
our-
cool. Ooh, nice little leaf rolls.
Wow, it's satisfying.
You know those are
Give us
from Greece,
more.
actually.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, they're called domales.
I never knew this.
Exactly. Okay,
That's kind of smart.
That's
I like
pretty
this.
smart.
I like it.
we got some meat sauce. Why you do this? Why you do this?
I wouldn't do it.
Now you can make
This-
meat tea.
Okay.
Potatoes, some lemons.
Oh!
That's useful. We can use that.
What's happened? Every life hacks looks awesome.
Wait,
Sure.
except this one. What is happening? They're deep frying chips, some Pringles.
You can deep fry everything, right?
I know you can deep fry everything, but why? The
To-
question
to-
is why.
To make everything taste.
I guess. So we're getting some cooking oven paper. What are we doing here? We're making a paper airplane to throw out the other chefs at culinary school. That's nice.
Very accurate.
Then
Oh.
that's the one way to get the pit out of a peach.
And remove the some. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, it has to be after you cook your potatoes, but sure, yeah. Noodle block. What the heck is a noodle block? I've never heard of that in my life. They're speaking about it like, yeah, it's just a noodle block. A what?
What? I'm getting confused as well. Just. We have to put everything together.
There's so much happening all at once.
Yeah. Wow. Okay.
That's one way to do it, yeah, pretty good. Got some
Waste of
chestnuts
aluminium.
roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. It's kind of cool, I guess. But you have all the shell in there with the nuts.
Yeah.
Does that really stop it from foaming? Just the wooden spoon?
Yeah. Any spoon you can put it in the middle.
Really?
Then it will stop. Yeah.
My whole life is a lie. What is this? What is that? Is that coffee? Neat.
Nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Good.
Okay, so if you get tired of holding your mixer, you do this.
I'm not sure it's gonna
I
work.
don't think
It's-
that's good. No.
It just creates some messes going around.
I
your
refuse.
kitchen.
Oh, they're
you
making a mold for cookies.
Nice.
Pretty good. Just
Very
use
clever.
aluminum.
for
as I
such
say.
simple molds.
Yeah.
Nice.
What is this thing?
It's a fruit house calls.
I don't know what they're
I
called.
don't know.
What are they called?
Yeah, write it in comments, please.
Cooking eggs with lemon to make them lemon eggs.
Next.
And then, okay, you can make your egg spicy without putting jalapenos in if you don't
I
like
just,
the texture
I just
of
feel
jalapenos.
sorry for the egg because they were beaten.
Oh.
Yeah, it's not.
gosh.
It's not.
What a
beaten.
shape.
It doesn't look
Now
that
they're
nice,
scrambled.
actually, yeah.
See what I mean? First they were beaten, then they became scrambled.
Okay, so that's not what you want.
Don't beat your eggs, okay, kids?
What? No, that's not what.
So what is this?
All right.
Oh,
tacos!
That looks really
Taco
nice.
en burrito. Taco favorite
Ah.
Dog. What?
pieces. For my love again.
Oh.
What a South Park reference.
Yeah, I know.
All right, that's beautiful.
That is really pretty. What is it though? Is
Little
it like
pancake,
pasta?
holy pancakes.
Pancakes. Is it? What is it? A crepe or a pancake? That
It's
looks.
literally just holy
Some,
crepes.
something on the middle.
Holy crap!
It's a pan crepe.
It's a holy crap.
Ooh.
All right. What kind of egg is that?
That looks kind of like an ugly egg, actually. It looks like a flying saucer egg. Proof that
eggly.
aliens
It's
exist?
eggly.
It's eggly to me.
Yes.
Looks like
Meat.
a banana. Egg
Meat.
banana.
So ooh, that looks like raw meat.
Mini
Aren't
omelet.
they gonna cook that meat?
Sushi. Yes.
When did they cook the meat?
You don't have to cook meat.
Of course you gotta cook meat.
No, you don't have to. Yeah, you should cook meat.
You don't need it.
Well, only certain kinds of meat. You don't have to cook like beef.
Oh, well. That's cool. I want to try that.
Ah.
Oh, little egg patty.
Egg pit.
Macaroni.
Egg patty.
Spag. Eddie.
Spaghetti. Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's like, is this French
What is
toast?
this
It's
for?
an indent.
Is he gonna make French toast? Yes.
Wow.
That is a new way of French toast. It's
Oh,
egg
okay.
toast.
Well, usually you mix the egg into the
Egg
bread.
toast.
But it's nice.
That looks really
That
nice.
looks nice.
I would eat the stuffing out of that.
Oh gosh.
I am definitely hungry now. But I'm always hungry, so.
Uh-oh. I'm hungry for more.
More content! Ooh,
All
gross.
right,
Why would
little
you
milkshake.
In the
Orange.
Orange
bake
taste.
that. Orange egg.
Aren't you glad you're never gonna do this?
Oh,
It's so gross looking. No.
It's like orange
pudding.
custard.
What?
How did he get
No.
that? That looked fake.
Okay, it kind of looked good though. High key. I might do it.
Beat your eggs.
Okay, so
Exactly.
so you get the egg white, you foam it up,
Yeah.
you get the yolk,
Yeah.
and for some reason you put the egg white back on top of the
But it's
the yolk.
foamy white.
Foam.
So
Okay,
it's
so-
gonna even grow even more.
So it's like a pie. This is an
That's
egg
it.
pie
Yeah,
essentially.
Yeah, essentially.
Definitely.
Cut
That
it
looks
and then just-
cool.
Boom.
Would
Look
you
at
try
that.
this?
I would eat it, but I don't think it would be good.
No, it's actually super good.